In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default email address in Pipedrive. If you use Pipedrive to send emails, setting a default email address keeps everything consistent and saves time. Your default sender is the address Pipedrive will use automatically whenever you compose a new message, reply to a thread, or trigger an email from within the platform. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can get it done in just a minute or two. First, open Pipedrive in your browser and head to Email Sync. To get there, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, go to Personal Preferences and then select Email Sync. This is where all your connected inboxes and related settings live. If you're already syncing your email, you'll see your accounts here. If you work with multiple inboxes, this page is especially helpful because it shows them side by side. Next, choose the email account you want to make your default. On the left side of the email sync page, you'll see a list of your connected accounts. Click the one you want to use as your primary sender in Pipedrive. This helps you avoid sending from the wrong address, especially if you manage sales, support, or personal communications from different inboxes. Now, enable the default setting. With the account selected, look to the main panel for the Account Details section. There, you'll find a toggle labeled Default Email Account. Turn that toggle on. The moment it's on, you're telling Pipedrive, use this address by default when I send emails. Only one account can be the default at a time, so if you ever change your mind, just come back here, pick another account, and turn its default toggle on instead. If the option looks unavailable, give the page a moment to sync, or make sure the account is connected properly. You don't need to change any other settings for this to work. And you're done. Once that toggle is on, that email becomes your default sender throughout Pipedrive. The next time you compose a message or reply from a deal, contact, or the mail tab, you'll see this address selected automatically. This small change reduces mistakes, keeps your brand consistent, and speeds up your daily workflow. If you use templates or signatures, they'll follow the default account you've chosen, keeping everything aligned without extra clicks. That's all it takes to set a default email address in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.